喂，去干的？
他们知道我谈了。Lokor means the cycle of the year, and the songs tell about the characteristics of all different months. Male and female dance is similar, but the quality of movement is different, representing more the female or male aspect. Now we will see. In this dance, basically we have two kinds of steps and movement. We will see now the first. So we do Tibetan step, for female twice, And for male, only when go forward. Now it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. While female always do with 4 counts and 4 steps. You see also male bend more when moving backward. And the quality of the dancer is strong. And the arm, one up and then down. Next sequence of step that we do in this dance will be like this. So pay attention, with 1 we step right. So 1, then left goes in front, side, up, then again 1 step left, and right goes in front, side, up, and then down, left up, left down, right up. We turn, step up, step up, and we repeat like before. So right down and left goes in front. Now left down, right, the movement. Step up, turning, step up, step up. Now we see the choreography. We have different possibility. Here we see when we have 2 lines of dancer, one of female and one of male dancer. So music start, and wait a little bit, everybody facing front, and then start facing each other with the first movement. And we repeat a few times until there is only music. When the singing starts, we continue the same sequence and we repeat 10 times. After 10 times, we add the second sequence with crossing step, the turning, and again crossing step, up and turning. And now we continue the other sequence, alternating and moving, exchanging position. So the 2 lines, as you see, exchange the position. Again, male and female are in front. And repeat 10 more times. Then twice this crossing step part. Once more, moving toward each other. 4 times. With the 5th sequence, the dancer turns to the right and continue for 5 more times. And then, again, the sequence with cross step. And we do like this until the end of the dance. In the last part of the dance, the music is getting faster, so we do this crossing step and the turning only 1 time. And then we repeat the first sequence until the end. Now we see the choreography with 4 lines. When there are more dancers, we can do like this. In this case, female will be in the 2 center lines, male in the outer lines. So we start in the same point like before. We repeat, alternating both sequences. Now we see the crossing step, turning, and then exchanging place. As usual, who move to the right side pass in front of the other. And we continue like this. In the choreography with 4 lines, at the middle of the dance we see particular movement. After turning, now female do half turn toward the right and cross and exchange between them. And then from here we will continue as before. You see, after this full turn of the previous movement, now half turn to the right and the 2 lines exchange their position. Who move to the right side goes in front. And we continue as usual, alternate with next sequence. Last part of the dance, the rhythm is a bit faster. So we do as usual 10 times the first sequence. And now we add the crossing and turn, but only once. And then female turn toward each other and they join in only one line and do until the end, when everybody faces to the front. When there are many dancers, we can do in 6 lines, as you can see here. Dance will be exactly the same, only pay attention that 2 lines of female dancers will move together toward the male. So 2 lines go to one line of male and opposite on the other side. And then we continue turning in the 5th part of the sequence. Continue 5 more times, then alternating with a crossing step, turning, again crossing step, turning, changing again, 4, and in the 5th sequence everybody turn to the right, continue 5 more, and alternating again with the other part. In the middle of the dance, after this second turn, full turn, now all female dance turn only half part and 2 lines exchange their position with other 2 lines. And we continue as before, alternating the 2 main movements. Last part of the dance, music is a bit faster, also the singing, so we do as usual, but when we have the crossing step and turning, it will happen only once. Now all female turn to the right, halfway, they move toward each other, and then from 4 lines they unify in 2. and we end the dance like this.